Hi, Stephanie. My name's Dickie Bill Wagner with Media Magic Marketing, and I'm doing a website analysis for you to see how your SEO is ranking for the Google search of house cleaning El Paso. Okay. First two spots on Google searches are always for people who pay for them. So they're pretty expensive, but if you put up there, you get found. But everybody knows their ads. So if they're looking for more home, the Google Map Pack is a great place to rank. And right now, when I opened it up, you were ranking at 19. On at least you're on the first page. Believe me, there's about seven pages of cleaners in El Paso. So you're on the first page, and that's good. You have plenty of pictures and you have good reviews. And I like that. That's all makes up for a very strong Google profile. I think what you could do is start asking questions on your Google profile where they have a spot for you to ask questions, and then you can answer them. Like if you have a frequently asked questions in regards to house cleaning, you could do that there. Also on your pictures, if you geotag them, which you can do. There's free sites that do it. Um, you can get yourself listed all over town. So wherever you're doing a job, you list that address on the photos that you take of that job, and you put that on your Google profile. So whenever somebody puts in house cleaning or landscaping near me, your business will come up a lot higher on the map pack. And it could be that, we're not that close. Going back to the organic rank, um, it's kind of weird. It's got Mary Maids at the top of the list, number one. It's a national chain. And then at number 7, you have Sparkleen Maids of El Paso. And in between that are lists like Angie's List and Yelp and that kind of thing. And on this organic list, you came in at number 20. So at least you're being consistent, 19 and 20, which means, it's not bad, but, it could be better. It could. So I'll go to your website right now, which is kind of cool. I like that 3D thing there. That's cool. Um, you have internal links. That's always great. A video on your webpage, always good. If you have a YouTube channel, you might want to backlink your video to your website from that to create stronger backlinks. And anything that you have with social media, like a Facebook page or Instagram page, that you can actually link to your website while you're posting on that will go a long way. It's just recently changed the algorithms to where social media posts will count as strong backlinks for your websites. Let's look at your metrics, okay? Well, your domain rating is 2.9 and your URL rating is 14. Okay, that doesn't mean a whole lot to you, but what it's saying to me is the domain rating is a website score on the strength of the SEO strategies. Okay, so it's counting your backlinks, your keywords, your citations, everything that has to do with what's linking back to your website and how it's linking on itself and how it's being crawled. And that's the score you get from that. Now, the URL is the strength of the backlinks, and they're a little bit stronger than your SEO strategies. So you're a little bit out of balance. Search engines like to see this number within 5 increments of each other. Okay, so you're a little bit out. 62 backlinks, that's pretty good. I looked at them and I noticed a lot of them were for landscaping, and a lot of them, then I was looking for the actual cleaning parts. And so the citations and most of the backlinks go towards landscaping part of your business, which you could improve by at least splitting that up and doing one-to-one. So every time you get a backlink for landscaping, you get a backlink for the cleaning service. Your referring domains, they're pretty good. I look at these strengths, okay? The domain rating strength, got a couple really strong ones with some good volume. So that's good. But then you get a lot of pages that don't have any. So that is where backlinks aren't as useful if they're not really working for you. You have 206 keywords, and we'll look at those real quick. I like to look where you're ranking at. Keywords are always cumulative, so the more you can rank for each different type of keyword and the higher you rank, the higher it's going to push your website in its ranking. So it looks like El Paso maid service, you're ranking about 14, and that's, post cleaners about 15, washing houses. There's room for improvement, and that's mostly with the backlinks and blog posts that you can do, or actually social media posts that will help your website get more strength in this regard. Your traffic is about 21 clicks a month, and the estimate value is $37 per click. So that's not too bad. That's not bad at all. That means your website is worth something and it's making money. It could make a lot more, and you'll see how in just a second. We'll go to Mary Maids, this behemoth national chain that's in almost every city. And they set up their website with a lot of content. They didn't have a video on it, which I'm surprised, because as big as they are, you'd think they would. But, oh, there it is. There's the video. Okay. Knew there was going to be. Let's look at their metrics. Domain rating is 71 because there's a lot of marymaid.com pages, and all the subdomains are each town that they're located in. So they're located in a lot of cities across the U.S. So that's why they're way up there in the domain rating. The UR rating is for El Paso. So they're kind of they're contributing here, and but it's still way out of balance. They should be real close to the 71. Keywords, 114,000 keywords, and that's all across the nation. And let's see where they're ranking at. How to get glitter off table. These are blog posts, by the way. So that's keywords that you can actually get just from blogging or having content created for your site that links back to your site. Okay, look at the value. The value is incredible. $822,000 per click, and they get about 366,000 clicks a month. However, they do pay for it. They get 605 clicks that are paid for, and each of those clicks cost $1,900. So, there's a cost of doing it. I think they're making more than they're spending, and that's what you want to do. And you can see that their SEO strategies are working for them, because all the trends are moving up in their graphs. Move on to Spark Clean, professional cleaning, and they're just a maid service. So they only have like 3 pages, just 3 pages, okay? Which I wonder, these go right to the home, but they count as internal links. And that's an SEO strategy, even though it doesn't take them anywhere but to the top of the page, it still works. Pretty clever. Okay, looking at their DRUR. Remember, search engines like to see them within 5, and they're really tight. They have 45 backlinks, okay? Their referring domains are pretty strong, and most of them have traffic. That's why they're ranking at a higher, at number 7 as opposed to 20. even though you have more referring domains. You have more backlinks than they do, but theirs are stronger. Keywords, see where they're at. 7 and 8 for a lot of like house cleaners, El Paso house cleaning. And these words have about 40 clicks a month, and they're not difficult. If it's a green box here, it means it's not difficult to rank in these specific keyword, these keywords. So where go back to you? What I suggest is that you do some maybe some social media posts that link back to your website. That'll help you rank higher. Some more backlinks that are maybe blog posts, or get the content created that link back to your website, and with the actual hosting that has a lot of traffic, and you'll start ranking a lot higher. It looks like things are dropping off here just in the last month or so. Maybe it's just a slow time of year, but that's all I got for that. And I hope it was helpful. We did go a little long, but I wanted to make sure it was thorough. So, Stephanie, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and you have a good weekend. Bye.